Gala Games has solidified its position as a pioneering force in the gaming industry, captivating the imagination of gamers and investors worldwide. Yet beneath the surface of this gaming revolution lies a complex ecosystem governed by tokenomics, an intricate web of economic principles that determine the value and sustainability of Gala coins. In this comprehensive analysis, we embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of Gala's tokenomics, exploring its evolution, challenges, and the compelling investment opportunities it presents. From the humble beginnings of Gala Games to the transformative changes in its economic model, join us as we delve deep into the heart of Gala's ecosystem to uncover why now is the perfect time to consider investing in Gala coins. The genesis of Gala Games, a vision for the future of gaming. Before diving into the intricacies of Gala's tokenomics, it's essential to understand the origins of Gala Games and the vision that drives its mission. Gala Games emerged as a beacon of innovation in the gaming industry, spearheading the transition towards Web3 gaming, a paradigm shift that leverages blockchain technology to revolutionize how games are developed, played, and monetized. Founded by gaming industry veterans with a passion for decentralization, Gala Games sought to empower gamers and developers alike, creating a vibrant ecosystem where creativity thrives and communities flourish. Gala's journey began with a bold vision to redefine the gaming experience, moving away from the traditional model of centralized game development and distribution towards a decentralized approach that prioritizes player ownership and engagement. With the advent of blockchain technology, Gala Games saw an opportunity to democratize the gaming industry, enabling players to truly own their in-game assets and participate in the creation and governance of their favorite games. This vision laid the foundation for Gala's ecosystem, setting the stage for a new era of innovation and collaboration in the gaming space. The flawed foundations. A tale of tokenomics missteps. As Gala Games soared to prominence during the bull market frenzy of 2020 to 2021, its meteoric rise was accompanied by a host of challenges, chief among them being the flawed nature of its tokenomics. At the heart of this issue lay an imbalance between supply and demand, exacerbated by a play-to-earn model that promised substantial returns for early adopters, but failed to deliver sustainable value in the long run. The influx of liquidity from eager investors inflated Gala's market capitalization to dizzying heights, yet only a fraction of the total token supply was actively circulating, leading to artificial price inflation and rampant speculation. As token prices soared to unprecedented levels, early node operators reaped substantial profits, only to find themselves ensnared in a cycle of diminishing returns as market conditions cooled and token prices plummeted. The turning tide. A paradigm shift in Gala's tokenomics. Amidst the tumultuous seas of market volatility, Gala Games embarked on a journey of self-discovery, charting a course towards a more sustainable and equitable economic model. A pivotal moment arrived in May, marked by a decisive token burn that saw over 20 billion tokens consigned to the flames, effectively reducing the maximum supply to 29 billion. This strategic move, coupled with enhanced transparency measures and a commitment to responsible token distribution, signaled a watershed moment in Gala's evolution, heralding a new era of financial prudence and investor confidence. With a more balanced distribution of token rewards and a halving schedule for inflation, Gala Games laid the groundwork for sustained growth and value creation, positioning Gala coins as a compelling investment opportunity for discerning investors. Navigating the dynamics of tokenomics, unraveling the nuances of Gala's economic model. To truly appreciate the investment potential of Gala coins, one must venture into the depths of Gala's tokenomics, where intricate mechanisms govern the ebb and flow of value within the ecosystem. At its core, Gala's tokenomics are designed to incentivize participation and foster community engagement, creating a virtuous cycle of value creation that benefits all stakeholders. Central to this model is the concept of scarcity. a fundamental principle that underpins the value proposition of Gala coins and drives demand in the marketplace. By imposing limits on token supply and implementing deflationary measures such as token burns and halving events, Gala Games seeks to instill confidence in investors and ensure the long-term viability of its ecosystem. Charting the course, navigating the path to investment success. Armed with a deeper understanding of Gala's tokenomics and the broader dynamics at play within the gaming industry, investors are better equipped to navigate the path to investment success. While Gala coins offer immense potential for growth and value appreciation, prudent investors must exercise caution and diligence in their decision-making process. By conducting thorough due diligence, assessing risk factors, and staying informed about market trends and developments, investors can position themselves for success in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency investing. Moreover, by aligning their investment strategies with Gala Games' long-term vision and commitment to innovation, investors can become active participants in shaping the future of gaming and blockchain technology. Seizing the moment, embracing the future, Gala Games represents not only a revolutionary force in the gaming industry, but also a significant opportunity for investors seeking to capitalize on the potential of blockchain technology. With its innovative approach to decentralization, player ownership, and community engagement, Gala Games has positioned itself at the forefront of a transformative movement that is reshaping the gaming landscape. By embracing Gala coins, investors can not only participate in the financial growth of the project, but also become active contributors to its success. Looking ahead, the future of Gala Games shines brightly, with a myriad of exciting developments and opportunities on the horizon. From the continued expansion of its gaming portfolio to the exploration of new technologies and partnerships, Gala Games is poised to lead the charge towards a more decentralized, inclusive gaming ecosystem. As the project continues to evolve and mature, investors can expect to see further value creation and innovation, driving Gala coins to new heights of success.